Hi, I'm Nina Kaufman, and welcome to AskTheBusinessLawyer.com. I started in law because I think I sought to kill a mockingbird at a really impressionable age. Here is a great story about a man who was trying to be a force of justice in a small town where there was none. And not only was Gregory Peck really cute, but he was honest, he was someone of integrity, he was smart, he showed great love for his children, and I wanted to be that when I grew up. What I love about law is the mix of policy, psychology, and business. Because especially for the business clients that I work with, there's a lot that goes into the mix. It's not just, do I churn out a contract? But how does this contract meet the needs of the particular client I'm working with? While you may have a lot of small businesses, they aren't always cookie cutters. So it was really important to me to be able to be a wise, trusted counselor for people who would really appreciate that. I have been an active member of my synagogue and have volunteered at their homeless shelter. It means a lot to me to give back to the community, and it's not, for me, it's not just lip service. For example, when I stay overnight at the homeless shelter, and I'm there by choice, not because I have to be there, because I already have my own bed, and I come home that next morning at 6:30 in the morning after the bus has picked up the guests, and I crawl bleary into my own bed, I am never more grateful for what I have than at that moment. And that gives me a sense of perspective, which it's often easy to lose in New York City. So that's been very, very important to me to maintain. Another interest which has stretched me beyond belief has been performing stand-up comedy. And I will tell you, it is like public speaking on steroids. It's tough, but boy, when you survive that and you get a day where the audience is laughing and they're with you and they're clapping, you feel like, oh, give me my Academy Award, please. It is phenomenal. But there's a lot to learn too from the days that were the nights that don't go so well. I mean, I never had anyone throw tomatoes at me, so it was never that terrible. But there was a lot I learned about maintaining my composure in front of an audience and a group of people that I don't know that I would have learned in such a concentrated way were it not for stand-up comedy. The most satisfying thing about what I do is knowing that I've helped someone else achieve their dream. I've helped put in, whether it's a cornerstone or some of the bricks, I've helped create that foundation so that they can then launch into their own greatness.